What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are riding pit bikes at the B52 Hangar MX in Rantoul, Illinois. You gonna have some fun today? Yeah. Hell yeah, let's get this party started. As far as bikes and what we're riding, we have my 2025 CRF 110, engine stock, lots of bolt-on mods, suspension, that sort of thing. We have Cody's fairly stock 2025 CRF 110. We have Marcus's and DJ's Apollo 125s, and we have Anthony's SSR 125 over there. And yeah, we're gonna rip and see what we can do today.
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just build an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the
So yeah, we went out for the very first session there. What did you guys think? Did you have fun? DJ had bike problems, unfortunately. He wasn't even able to ride, so hopefully he's got his bike squared away. His air filter, he over-oiled it, and it had so much oil on it that the bike wouldn't even run, so hopefully he's got that squared away. But we're gonna go out there and have some more fun.
Wake up to a cloudy day, dark rolls in and it starts to rain. Staring out to the cage like walls, time goes by and the shadows crawl. Crushing candy, crushing pills, got no job, mom pays my bills. Texting exes, get my fill, sweating bullets, Netflix chills. World's out there singing the blues, 20 more dead on the evening news. Think to myself, really what's the use? I'm just like you, I was born to lose. Why, oh why can't you just fix me? When all I want's to feel numb, but the medication's all gone. Why, oh why does God hate me?
So we just got done with the second session. We were about to go out for the third. Anthony bent the shift shaft on his SSR when he went down, and we had to beat the shift shaft back straight with a hammer. So hopefully he's okay to ride. DJ got to go out there and ride. Pretty much everybody's complaining of arm pump because none of us are in shape, but it's pretty good. So hey, we're gonna go out there doing some jumps now. So hell yeah, we're gonna have some more fun. that is pretty much a wrap on today. I ended up popping a tube on mine, probably going full send, and I had like 15 PSI in it, still blew it, but we all had fun. Marcus had some crashes. DJ, did you have one? Because of Anthony? Yeah, actually DJ crashed into Anthony and completely bent the shift shaft on his bike. But yeah, so anyways, we had a little bit of carnage going on today, but we also had a blast here down at the B52 hangar. So hopefully we'll get down here again soon and rip some more, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. And make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one. Woohoo!